Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. Today in this tutorial I'm going to tell you how to make money on TikTok. So if you have a personal account, you need to create a business account. After that, to earn money directly from TikTok, join TikTok's Creator Fund. To do this, you need to have a minimum of 10,000 authentic followers and have accrued at least 100k views over the last 30 days. You also need to be 18 or older and live in US, UK, Germany, France, or Spain. After that, you have to monetize your account. When you are done all of these things, you can earn money on TikTok. If you found this video helpful, then please like, comment and share, subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.